Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening settings with Win+I. This is the fastest route. Once done, make sure you're signed in and, if prompted, confirm admin permissions so changes stick. Then, choose System from the left column and click Display. This brings up the display control panel where resolution and scale live. Do this now, don't browse other menus, because System Display centralizes brightness, night light, and multiple display options for quick access. Now that you're in display, you adjust scale and resolution to match readability and performance. Try 100% or 125% for small screens. Once you pick resolution, make sure orientation and nightlight are set as desired. These affect comfort and color. If you have multiple monitors, click Identify and then Detect to ensure the system recognizes each screen. For finer control, scroll to Advanced Display Settings to choose Refresh. Finish by applying and testing any new settings. When prompted, click Keep Changes if the display looks correct, otherwise revert. Make sure to restart if things feel unstable, because many driver updates need a reboot to take effect. If you encounter a blank or black screen, connect an external monitor or boot to safe mode to roll back drivers. This approach recovers display output without losing settings. One key tip: update graphics drivers from Device Manager to prevent recurring issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.